Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Ananya from Ananya's Nourish Me, and I'm back in continuation to last week to help you understand what are the types of detox and how to do a detox. So basically, I'll explain you a little bit in the gist of what are the types of detox. So as I was discussing last time, there are mini cleanses. Mini cleanses vary anything from 3 to 5 days of juice, totally on a juice detox, basically. But on the other side, a master cleanse would take around 4 weeks, that is almost a month. And for people with severe digestive conditions like celiac diseases, IBDs, IBS, will have to follow a long term of cleanse or detox for about 6 months. All right. Now, I have tried to come up with a simple and easy to follow concept of following a detox and why a detox. I mean, what are the steps to be followed? Okay. So I'll just take you through one by one. So basically, what I've done is I have made detox. I've made as easy as possible for you, and I have simplified the word detox to explain you the meaning itself. So detox is diminish, and D stands for diminish and lower your intake of salt, sugar, processed, and refined foods. So the first step of detox is not to remove everything, never. Start with diminishing the quantity of sugar, quantity of salt, quantity of refined and packaged and ready to eat foods. That itself will be the first phase of detox. This can be incorporated for about a week, you know. Second would be eliminate. DE. So E stands for eliminate. Eliminate and incorporate. So I will give you both in the same point. So eliminate animal proteins, bad fats, dairy, and gluten. So you must try and eliminate and remove. So first phase is to diminish, is to lower your intake of all the bad fats, sugar, salt, processed foods. But the second stage or the second step will be totally elimination. Eliminate and you can replace them with some other sources. For example, if you're eliminating animal protein, you can replace them with, instead of animal protein, you can replace them to plant proteins, right? Similarly, eliminate animal proteins, dairy, gluten. All of these are vital sources of causing inflammation in our body. Our body is inflamed, is in pain, and it's a way to show that our body is getting adapted to something new that has come inside ourselves, and it's taking time to process it. So, eliminating is one part, and incorporating. Now, once we eliminate, so you can divide this, say, 1 week if you are doing a second phase of elimination and incorporation. First, you should eliminate for like 4 to 5 days. You do the eliminate, and then the rest 4 days or 3 days you keep for incorporation. So you should incorporate prebiotics and probiotics. So prebiotics and probiotics help you with living good microbiome or bacteria inside your gut. Prebiotic examples would be banana, apple, garlic, onion and leeks, barley and oats, of course, asparagus and flax seeds. These are few prebiotics you must inculcate in your daily routine. Probiotics. Now, probiotics are examples of living microorganisms that, when ingested, gives a very good benefit to your gut. Now, examples are yogurt, the very traditional buttermilk that we make at home, kefir, it's a kind of fermented milk. So kefir might not be available here. Of course, pickled vegetables, And what we call is kimchi, right? Kimchi is majorly made with cabbage or any other vegetables with a lot of chili and ginger garlic, which we let it ferment. And these are topped on sausages or with meat products, or you can simply have it as a side dish as well. So these are very rich in living microorganisms. Hence, we must incorporate them. So detox, D stands for diminish your salt, sugar, processed food. E stands for eliminate and incorporate, eliminate all the animal proteins, fats, and dairy, gluten. So all of these to reduce your inflammation. The third stage is T, that is toxin cleanse. Now, toxin cleanse, we have to remember that toxin cleanse is not only what we put inside our body, but also from our environment, also from our daily using products. For example, the cleansers, the cosmetics, the sprays we are using at home, the detergents we are using, the floor cleaners, everything should be specifically and most importantly be as natural and as natural products or natural usage of products as it can be. Then the toxin cleanse from within out will be equally beneficial. Also plant as many trees as you're able to well, that I'll explain in the next step. So stage 3 was toxin cleanse. Toxin cleanse your home, your pantry, your environment, and the products that you use. Fourth stage is oxidative stress reduction. O. Detox ka O stands for oxidative stress reduction. And oxidative stress reduction is actually a series of things to be done. So the first thing I have asked you to remove and diminish, and then it is eliminate. So we are doing it stepwise, okay? We eliminate all the toxins, then we start taking more of greens. So now the oxidative stress reduction starts here from stage 4, where we start eating healthy. We start striking the right balance between the macros of protein, carbs, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. Limiting our processed food. Please ensure you are regular at any kind of workout. That's very important, because whatever we are ingesting does not really get activated in our body unless and until we are moving ourselves, right? So it's very important of exercising. Quitting your smoke and alcohol, at least during detox, is mandatory important. If you can't quit them for this either mini cleanse or a master cleanse, it will be of no use, trust me. And finally, reducing stress, that is through meditation, or you can remember O also stands for chanting Om. Om, chanting 10 ohms a day after you wake up is also a very good way to reduce your stress. So oxidative stress reduction as of detox ka O. Finally, X. I could not really find anything that would fit best for the stage, so I have put oxygenate. So X as in oxygenate ka X comes in between oxygenate. So detox ka oxygenate. Why oxygenate? Most of us wouldn't know, but many diseases or cumbersome stages in our life come with a lack of oxygen. But trust me, our body is made up of 75% water, out of that 75% water, 90% is oxygen. But still we lack oxygenation in our body, and hence one of the reasons for many inflammations and diseases in our body. So we need to oxygenate our cells. We need to oxygenate ourselves by various ways. I have just listed out a few. Oxygenate via movement. As we know, because of pandemic, all of our movements have got restricted. Please start moving yourself, whether biking, whether swimming, whether stretching, whether skipping, whether running, jogging, anything. But you need to oxygenate yourselves. You need to improve the oxygen absorption and oxygen assimilation in our body by moving yourself. Second, oxygenation via massage. The massage can be a oil massage, can be a dry brush massage, can be a little towel massage as well. But the massage is needed because the upper cells of our body gets accumulated with a lot of dead cells, and hence the skin is unable to breathe. Third, oxygenate via body scrub. The scrubbing can be done as simple body scrub with the help of olive oil and sugar, which is a very natural scrub, which I prefer. Otherwise, there are a lot of body scrubs available, but I really doubt about their toxicity, level toxicity, so better to. Okay. Now, finally, oxygenation very important being down as indoor a terrace garden. You can just plant as trees. The more trees are around, the more oxygen you can breathe, and is so much needed for your cells. Finally, oxygenate with the help of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll are found in all green leafy vegetables or all the green pigmented vegetables. And these chlorophyll are simple, I should say, they are simple chlorophyll busters, which has magnesium, and this changes iron and help it transport it throughout the blood and throughout the organs. And hence, oxygenating our cells with chlorophyll-rich foods on a daily basis is very important. This was it for today. I wouldn't take much longer, but I am trying to come out with very simple detox sample plans, okay, which I'll share next week. And I'll explain you for whom it is meant to be and for whom it is not. For today, I would want you to just go through my video over and over to understand the basic concept of detox for today. That's all. Signing off, Ananya.